Welcome all my brothers and sisters. Today we are discuss about the topic for environmental pollution. This video covers the complete syllabus about the environmental pollution. In case questions are asked in this topic on your exam, definitely this video questions will cover. After watching this video, you will get more information from this video. So try to watch entire video. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to join our Facebook group, links are available in description box. First question, acid rain is caused by which of the following pollutants? Your answer, just click pause button, try to answer. Your answer, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. Acid rain is also known as acid precipitation or otherwise known as acid deposition. Then acid rain is caused by the emission of sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide undergo oxidation and they are react with water resulting in the formation of sulfuric acid and nitric acid respectively. Sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide undergo oxidation and they are react with water, then resulting gives sulfuric acid and nitric acid. It may occurs due to human activities, mostly the combustion of fossil fuels. Therefore, the pH of rainwater is less than 5.6. It is called acid rain. When pH value less than 5.6, it is called acid rain. This question is very important question. And the acid rain also depletes the soil of important plant nutrition buffers such as calcium and magnesium. Similarly, the Taj Mahal is turning yellow due to acid rain. This is the reason why Taj Mahal marbles change yellow color. This is the reason due to acid rain. Next question, match the following. Just click pause button, try to answer column A and column B. Your answer, sulfur dioxide, acid rain, now only you can see, and carbon dioxide match for greenhouse gases. This question is very important question. Carbon dioxide match for greenhouse gases and the carbon monoxide match for reduce the oxygen carrying capacity of blood. Similarly, chlorofluorocarbon damage ozone layer. This question is also very important question because this is the reason. Why? What is the reason? So many persons are used in refrigerator. So damage ozone layer, reason for chlorofluorocarbons. And next question, in 1984, the Bhopal gas tragedy took place because methyl isocyanate. Your answer, reacts with water. This question is very important question. So many competitors are asked in this question. On December 3, 1984, methyl isocyanate leaked out from pesticide unit of Union Carbide factory. So water could get into tank containing methyl isocyanate. This caused the chemical reaction, increased the temperature and pressure inside the tank. As a result, the large amount of toxic gases was released into the environment. Methyl isocyanate is very important word. And blue baby disease found in facts is due to excess gas in drinking water. Excessive in drinking water. Blue baby disease. Your answer, excessive nitrate in drinking water. Excess of nitrate is harmful to infect and cause the blue baby diseases. What is the another name of blue baby disease? Methemoglobinemia. And similarly, fluoride deficiency. Fluoride deficiency is a disorder that may cause increased dental caries. Fluoride deficiency is disorder that cause increased dental caries, that is tooth decay. Okay. Then similarly, lead is excess is toxic to many organs and tissues include heart, kidney, bones, intestines and etc. Excess lead cause anemia disease. This point is very important point. Next question, which of the following is primary pollutants? This question is very important question for all competitive exam. Which of the following are primary air pollutants? Your answer, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxide. Primary pollutants are, these are all the important primary pollutants. What is that? Sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, oxides of nitrogen like NO, NO2 and NO3, and the suspended particulate matter SPM. And what is meant by secondary pollutant? These are all the secondary pollutant, mainly for ozone and sulfuric acids are secondary pollutant. These are all the primary pollutant and these are all the Secondary pollutant. This question is very important question. The zone of atmosphere in which the ozone layer is present is called stratosphere. Ozone layer present in which sphere? Ozone layer present in stratosphere. This question is very important question. And ozone layer depletion, the zone of atmosphere in which ozone layer is called stratosphere. Similarly, the ozone layer is layer of concentrated ozone gas. It protects as from the sun harmful ultraviolet rays. And the chlorine is the excess compound destroyed the ozone layer. It affects the skin cancer. Ozone layer affects the skin disease called skin cancer. And which year Ganga Action Plan was launched? Ganga Action Plan was launched in which year? Your answer? 1985. Ganga Action Plan was launched in 1985. It aims to reduce the pollution level in the river. Now the government of India has launched a new initiative known as National Mission of Clean Ganga. That scheme was launched in 2016. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you like this video means just thumbs up. Which of the following is our effects of radioactivity pollution? Your answer? All of the above. These are all the radioactivity pollution. Radioactivity pollution can occur due to the two reasons, naturally and artificial. What is the natural? UV and IR radiations are natural. What is artificial? X-ray and radiations from atomic energy plants are artificial radiation. These two radiations are natural and these two radiations are artificial. These are all the effects of radiations. And find out the wrong statement and write them in the correct form. Which statement is wrong statement? Which statement is correct statement? Just click pause button, try to answer. Option B and D is the true statement, remaining all statements are wrong statement. 2 and D, that is B and D is the correct answer. B and D is the correct answer, remaining answer are wrong. Remaining statements are wrong. So which disease is caused by pollution of cadmium metal? This question is very important question. Which disease is caused by the pollution of cadmium metal? ET disease. Name the given to the mass cadmium poisoning of Toyama Prefecture, Japan, starting around 1912. This is the cadmium poisoning pollution. Similarly for Bhopal gas leakage, methyl cyanide. Here Japan, there Bhopal, India. The permitted noise level in a silent zone during daytime and night times are respectively. Silent zone during daytime and night times are 50 dB and 40 dB. This is the CB report, Central Pollution Control Board report. Zone for industrial zone 75 to 70, that commercial zone 65 and 55, residual zone 55 and 45, and silent zone 50 and 40. Silent zone is 50 and 40. This is daytime, this is night time. Which lichens are used as the best indicator of environmental pollution? Why lichens are used as the best indicator of environmental pollution? Because highly sensitive to the pollutant atmosphere. Highly sensitive to the pollutant atmosphere. Not growing, highly sensitive. Lichens are plants. Lichens are plants that grow in exposed places such as rocks or tree barks. Lichens are widely used in environmental indicators or bioindicators. This point is very important point. And this is the air pollution indicator, especially for sulfur dioxide in atmosphere. This point, all points are very important point. Note it. Next question. Which of the following agent is responsible for turning the Taj Mahal yellow? Why? Because sulfur dioxide. This question already discussed in this video. Because acid rain, sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide, this gas react with water vapor present atmosphere to form sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Acid rain corrodes the marble of monuments. That the phenomenon is also called marble cancer. That is the reason change the yellowing color of the marble. The non-material kind of pollution is A non-material kind of pollution is noise pollution is called non-material kind of pollution. This question is also important question. A non-material kind of pollution is non-noise pollution. The noise pollution is measured in unit. A noise pollution is measured in decibel. The noise pollution is measured in decimal, because decimal is the unit of sound, is logarithmic unit used as the measurement of sound level. And simple dB is the ratio between two power levels expressed in logarithmic terms. That is, dB is equal to 10 log 10 P2 by P1. And departing jumbo jet may result 120 dB being recorded along the runway. Then similarly, ohm is unit of electric resistance, joule is the unit of work or energy, and similarly ampere is the unit of electric current. This is remaining option solution. And next one, the disease which is not caused by water pollution. Not caused by water pollution. Asthma is not caused by water pollution, because asthma is air pollution. Asthma is difficult to breathe. Swag, agriculture, chemical and industrial wastage are some of the major contaminants of water pollution. And the water which is purified and fit for drinking is known as potable water. This point is very important point. Water which is purified and fit for drinking is known as potable water. Which of the following primarily cause lead pollution? Primarily cause lead pollution. Your answer: automobile battery is called primarily lead pollution. Affects multiple system of our body. The chemical formula for lead Pb and atomic number is 82. Air pollution is caused by smoke. Air pollution is caused by smoke. Increasing level of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide are leading to global warming. This point is very important point and very important question. Increased level of greenhouse gases like CO2 are leading to global warming. Smog is common type of air pollution. Similarly, smog cause water pollution, and similarly loudspeaker cause noise pollution. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to join our Facebook group, means links are available in description box. Next question: water pollution involves all of the above. Water pollution occurs when there is addition of undesirable substance into water bodies. See, I no need to explain the answer for all the questions, because all important points are given in printed statement and important points are highlighted in different colors, so you can easily understand. So next question: the largest source of pollution in the world is swag and garbage is the largest pollution in the world. Largest pollution source of world. And environmental pollution has taken place on large scale is industrial and urban areas. The concentration of which gas is highest in our environment? Nitrogen gas is highest gas in our environment. This question is also very important question. Range: 78% of nitrogen, 20% of oxygen, and 0.93% of argon, and 0.04% of carbon dioxide. Spraying of DDT on crops producing pollution of, your answer: air, soil and water pollution. What is the abbreviation of DDT? This question is also important. What is the abbreviation of DDT? Dichloro diphenyl trichloroethane. This is abbreviation of DDT. Next question: while testing pollution in water, a high chloroform count indicates high level of facial matter. Coliform bacteria originate as an organism in soil or vegetation and in the intestinal tract as warm-blooded animal. Next question: identify the degradable pollutant from the following. Which one is degradable pollutant? Vegetables are degradable pollutant. Degraded vegetables are degraded pollution, because this is organic matter. Similarly, chemical, metals and plastics are inorganic matter. Dash are pollution indicator plants. Lichens are pollution indicator plants. These extra informations are already discussed in this video. Next one: Who was the first scientist to coin the term smog and describe the layer of smog? This question is very important question. Who was the first scientist to coin the term smog? Dr. Henry Andoni. Which of the following pollutants are responsible for the cause of smog? Both indicators and emissions from vehicles. Which of the following particles is called the particulate pollutants? Particulate pollutants are fly ash. Which of the following statement is true about smog? Your answer: smog is derived from both fog and smoke. Depletion of ozone layer cause which of the following? Answer: 1 and 2, that is cataract in eyes leading to blindness and reduced productivity of forest. This is the reason. What type of precaution should be taken in survey when the ozone level is high? Ozone level is high. What types of precaution? Drive less or otherwise stay hydrated. These two is the precaution. Ozone level is high. Which of the following is the statement is true about air quality index? What is meant by air quality index? It predicts ozone level in your area. It predicts ozone level in your area. What is my air quality index? It predicts ozone level in your area. The major photochemical smog is, this question is very important question. The major photochemical smog is chlorofluorocarbon, CFC. This is the major photochemical smog. Which of the following diseases are caused by smog? Which of the following diseases are caused by smog? All of the above, that is rickets, bronchitis and breathing problems are diseases are caused by smog. DDT and aluminum cans are the example of. Your answer: this question is very important question. DDT and aluminum cans are example of non-biodegradable pollutants. Which of the following gas are called greenhouse gases? Which of the following gas are greenhouse gases? This question is very important question and previously asked in SSC exam. Your answer: both 1 and 3, that is methane and carbon dioxide. See, if you are interested to say something, type in comment section. Your feedback is always welcome. Type something in comment section. This video is useful or not. Your feedback positive or negative, no problem. Type in comment section. Which of the following rivers is called the world most pollutant river? World most pollutant river, Ganga river. And which of the following techniques is used for the reducing the total dissolved solid in the water? Technique is used to reducing the total dissolved solid in the water. Both 2 and 3, that is ion exchange and distillation. Which of the following salt in the main cause of permanent hardness of water? Which of the following salt in main cause of permanent hardness of water? Magnesium sulfate. And the temporary hardness of water? Temporary hardness of water, magnesium carbonate. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to join our Facebook groupings, links are available in description box. Next question: which of the following techniques is used to determine the concentration of order compound in the given water sample? Order compound in water sample. This question is very important question. Which of the following techniques is used to determine the concentration of order of compound in given water sample? Stripping. Stripping is the answer. Very important question. Which of the following technique is used to remove fluorides from the water bodies? Techniques is used to remove fluoride from water bodies. Option 2 and 3, that is ion exchange and lime softening. Next question: which of the following statement is true about the composition of calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3, in soft water? Composition of calcium carbonate in soft water: 30 to 60 milligram of calcium carbonate per liter. Which of the following unit is used to measuring the turbidity of water? Measuring the turbidity of water. Your answer: these are all the measuring the turbidity of turbidity of water. The presence of gas in water body in an indicator of water pollution. Water body in indicator of water pollution is E. coli. E. coli is the answer, that is coliform and bacteria, one set of the group. Next question: depletion of ozone layer is damaging to human health. Negative effect include skin cancer, This question is already discussed in this video. Depletion of ozone layer, the damage into human health, negative effect include skin cancer. And which of the following serve as an indicator of atmospheric pollution? Atmospheric pollutions are epithet lichens. This question is also discussed in this video. Negative soil pollution is your answer. Negative soil pollution is reduction in soil productivity due to erosion and overuse. This is the negative soil pollution. Air pollution that occurs in sunlight. Air pollution that occurs in sunlight. Your answer, oxidizing smog. Oxidizing smog is the air pollution that occurs in sunlight. Incomplete combustion of fuel such as petrol and diesel gives. This question is very important question. So many competitors are asked in this question. Your answer, very important question, carbon monoxide. Incomplete combustion of fuels such as petrol and diesel gives carbon monoxide. Which of the following procedure will give you water free from all impurities? Which of the following procedure will give you water free from all impurities? Distillation. Water free from all impurities, procedure called distillation. Which of element is present in exhaust of automobile? Which element is present in exhaust of automobile? Lead, that is Pb. The solid or liquid particle dispersed in the air are called aerosol. Aerosols. The gas used in refrigerator applicable causing serious damage to ozone is. This question is very important question. Why damage to ozone? Because chlorofluorocarbon. Trees helps in reducing the pollution. Trees helps in reducing the pollution of our environment. Lakhs of trees are planted by people in month of July every year. The occasion is called Van Machtosev. This occasion is called Van Machtosev. This question is very important question. Note it. This question is very important question. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to say something, type in comment section. Your feedback is always welcome. Type in comment section. This video is useful or not. Positive or negative or feedback, no problem. Type in comment section. Why is lead-free petrol or diesel recommended to reduce pollutants emitted by automobiles? Diesel and petrols are added with lead in the form of PbCH3,4b and PbC2H5,4 as an anti-knock agent. This is neat question. Environmental pollution. What is meant by environmental pollution? Environmental is surrounding that we live in. Our responsibility to protect in our any destruction. What is environmental pollution? When there is undesirable change in surrounding. Effects of environmental pollution. What are the effects of environmental pollution? Water pollution, air pollution, soil pollution, etc. What are the environmental issues and solution? Just click pause button. All important points are given in printed statement. Next question, what is my environmental issues? Next, what are the some of the current environmental issues that require urgent attentions are climate change, global warming, ozone layer depletion, water pollution, air pollution, solid waste management and deforestation and overpopulation. Then what are the solution to environmental issues? These are the solution to environmental issues. What is pollution? Pollution is introduce of substance, energy that cause adverse the change in the environmental and living entities. What are the types of pollution? I no need to explain the answer for all the questions because all important points are given in printed statement and important points are highlighted in different color. So you can easily understand. Just click pause button and you can read it. What are the types of pollution? What is the soil pollution? And what are the effects of soil pollution? Some of the common causes of soil pollution, other effects of soil pollution, and list some example of contaminant that pollutant in soil. Some common soil pollutions are, these are all the some common soil pollutions. What is in the noise pollution? What is the noise pollution? Has several contributors, which includes, next, what are the effects? What are the effects of noise pollution? What is in the air pollution? Just click pause button and you can read it. Some cause that contributes to air pollution. What is the effects of air pollution? What are the effects of major air pollution? Here some of the air pollution and their source and their effects. What are the primary pollutant? These are the important primary pollutant. This question is very important question. This topic is very important topic. And then what is meant by secondary pollutant? What are the important secondary pollutants are sulfuric acid, ozone, formaldehyde and PAN. These are all the secondary pollutants. What are the primary pollutants and what are the secondary pollutants? This page very important page. And what is meant by water pollution? What are the effects of water pollution? These are all the effects of water pollution. Note, and other significant cause of water pollution include, what are the other consequences of water pollution? What is meant by precedent pollutant and what is meant by non-precedent pollution? This point is, this page is very important. Note it, just or otherwise take screenshot. What is meant by quantitative pollutant? What is meant by qualitative pollutant? These 2 points is also very important point. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to say something, type in comment section. Your feedback is always welcome. Type something in comment section. This video is useful or not. Your feedback, positive or negative, no problem. Type in comment section. This video is useful or not. Subscribe our YouTube channel Time to Save. If you are interested to join our Facebook group means links are available in description box. Thank you.